What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Ryan and this is my 2008 BMW 335i. Alright, so I know I've done one of these videos before, but I want to give you guys a little update on the few things that I have done since the last walk around video about 2 years ago. So we'll start with the engine bay. Right now it's running the JB4 and I've been running that for about 5 years now. I usually will run map 1 or map 5, and for that basic tune I don't have any issues or never have had any issues with it. I know a lot of people dislike it and like MHD or something else, but for me JB4 has worked great. Next I have the Berger Motorsports dual cone intakes. Also the TiAL blow-off valve and the ARM Motorsports charge pipe back in there. Can't really see it. I also have VRSF Catless downpipes. They're back in there. Can't really see them right now, but anyways, I also have the VRSF 7-inch intercooler. It's not stepped, as you can see, just 7 inches straight back, and it does the job. I know they don't sell it anymore, but I've never had any issues with it. I also have the Vader Solutions blow-off valve adapter, and you want to run this so you get the proper 1/4 line to allow your blow-off valve to function properly, rather than the 1/8 line that the stock manifold will let you run. And you don't have to tap your manifold when you use the blow-off valve adapter from Vader Solutions, which is pretty nice. The last thing I have done in the engine bay is the CSF race radiator. It's all aluminum. My stock one cracked, so I ended up upgrading it to that. I know these cars can go into limp mode from the coolant temps getting too hot, so that should help with that and prevent that from happening. That's all that's done engine wise. Now we do have the 20mm Berger Motorsports spacers on the rear, and that brings the wheel out pretty flush with the fender. Not quite, but definitely looks a lot better than it would stock. I also have M3 control arms in the front, and the car definitely handles a little better. It's not too noticeable, but definitely would recommend doing it, especially if you're just replacing your worn out control arms. Why not upgrade them? One of the other things that I've done since that last video would be I got my differential bushings replaced. The reason you would want to do this is because one of them is I had this crazy clunking noise going from park to reverse or park to drive, and I believe it's the whole differential moving around causing that clunk noise. But once you get those bushings replaced, going from drive to park or park to reverse, it doesn't make any noise and it goes in very smoothly now. So I definitely recommend doing that if you haven't. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe for more content and drop a like on the video. Thank you. Here's a little startup. That's a JB4 feature right there.